Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get gold in KingShot. In this video, let's talk about how to get gold in KingShot. There are four main ways to earn gold: through packs, conquest battles, house production, and rebel invasions. To track your options, tap on the gold icon in your overview, press the plus button. Buying gold through packs is the quickest route, but it uses real currency. Each pack comes with a base amount of gold plus a bonus depending on the tier you purchase. Next is the Conqueror Camp, where you can claim idle income. Mine gives about 950 gold per hour, and this rate increases as you progress and level up. Then head to your city and check your houses. This also generates gold, so upgrading them, especially the bunk beds, boosts your income significantly. And lastly, don't forget the Rebel Invasion. Completing these battles rewards you with extra gold and other useful items. Those are the main ways to build your gold reserves in KingShot. Steady, consistent progress will make your empire shine even brighter. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.